Hello friends, this is Leslie of Silver Moon Creations and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you the winnings that I had got from over at Petey Pie Design. I had won her boo bag. A bunch of us participated in the boo bag challenge for Halloween, and you had the option of whether or not you wanted to give it away or if you wanted to keep it. So she decided to give it away and I won it. So she had it all nice with a nice piece of paper on top, but I can't show it because because it has our addresses. But she has this crochet granny squares on it. I think that's absolutely hysterical. She knows I crochet. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna take a look. And we're gonna save the shred. Holy cow, Lori, how much stuff did you put in here? Oh my gosh. Jeez. Oh my gosh, well, let me take out this. Let me put the box on the side. We're going to leave the shred here because it looks pretty. Okay. So there's this little envelope here. Well, that's really pretty. Congrats on winning the boo bag. Love, Lori. Petey Pie Design. Isn't that pretty? I love that design. Oh my gosh. That's like a quilt design. That's really pretty. So we're going to take the obvious stuff out first. So we have candies. So we have some Sour Patch Kids Tropical. And I think these are probably, oh no, this one is watermelon. This one's tropical. That's watermelon. And that's tropical. I don't think I've ever had Sour Patch Kids. So then we have fabric gift bags with ties. Oh, these are actually really nice. I never saw these. Let's take a look. Oh, these are adorable. And they are. They're a sturdy weight fabric. Those are really pretty. I like those. And you get 3 of them. So that's pretty cool. That'll be in the pile for next year to work with. Or you never know. Maybe we'll work with it a little bit earlier. You never know. So that's pretty cool. Thank you, Lori. Those are really cool. And let's see. Oh, we have another one. We have another watermelon. And then we have these cool spider rings. These are awesome because I cut off the ring part and then I use them to decorate on like the top of a journal or something like that. So those are pretty cool. Thanks, Lori. And then, oh, these are cool. Are these glow in the dark? They kind of look like they could be glow in the dark, but it doesn't say so, so I'm going to say no. But those are really cool. You can paint these any color, let's say you want, and then use them on projects like say if you were doing the top of a journal, you could look like the hands were holding the journal, and that's a perfect size. And you get 10 pieces in here, so that's really cool. So you could do 5 projects with that. And I saw her when she was showing these. These are great for like parties and stuff like that. Those are so cool. And then if I do what I'm hoping to do next year with a separate channel, a third channel. This would be cool with either drinks or donuts, and you can use like this with the filling of the donuts. I think that would be really cool. And then you have these cute little pens. These are adorable. They're little gel pens. Those are really cute. I love those. And then let's see. So she threw in she threw in some of these cute socks. These are adorable. I like these, especially with the ghosts. Oh, those are really cool. I like those, Lori. These are really awesome. Thank you so much. And then, oh, we have another one. This is a Swedish fish. And then, what do we got here? Hand sanitizer, pumpkin vanilla. I gotta see if I can figure out how to work this. Oh, it's a spray. Oh, that smells awesome. Oh, that's really cool. I've never seen one that's a spray before. It's a moisturizing hand sanitizer, limited edition. That is really cool. I really like that. That's going to probably, I don't know if I would put it in my purse because it's liquid, but. And then this is like one of my favorite ribbons. This sparkle ribbon. And I love it because it doesn't really have the wires in it. Even when it does have the wires, I cut the wires off anyway. But there is a ton here. It is by Brother and Sister Design Studio. I'm gonna assume that this came from Hobby Lobby. But I love this because I cut little pieces out of it. Also too, I will use it to die cut. Oh, it does have wire, but it's real thin. But I'll use the die cuts and stuff with this too. So awesome. And there's so much here. There's 8 yards here. Holy cow. Thanks so much, Lori. And then we have, oh, these are really cool. These are napkins. Is this all one? Oh, that is really cool. How did these? Oh my gosh, look at how cool these napkins are. They open up. I don't know if they open up. They have to. It looks like it does. I mean, I could be wrong. It's not opening. So I'm going to leave it just as it is. I think it opens more. But needless to say, I can't. But this would be great to decoupage onto something. See how this is like this? I'm thinking this has got to open. Because it's dual-sided too, so. I don't know. Maybe that's just the color of the napkin. But that's really cool. I love those. Cut it and use one, or you could use 2 and then put something else. That's really awesome. Oh, those are cool. Thank you, Lori. I've never seen anything like that. I've never seen them in a shape like that. Those are really cool. What else we got in the bag? These are napkins too. Oh my god, look at those. I'm not going to open these because you see how they are. But those are really cool, and I love the bright orange. Oh, those are cool. Oh, we have another set. And these are Haunted House. That's really cool. I like these. These are so cool. And then what do we got here? We have notepads. Let's take them out because I will definitely use these. And they have the plain paper on the inside. Those are really cool. And they're sewn in. They look like they're sewn in. So we have Happy Haunting. We have Boo. And then we have this awesome pattern. And then we have the Creep It Real with the eyeballs. So those are really cool. Thank you so much, Lori. I love them. Those are great. Those are good to keep in your purse. And I think that is it. We have a couple more fish. And yes, that is it. So that is everything from Lori. I think that's what she had her stuff in, if I'm not mistaken. I can't remember now. But I'm sure that's what her boo bag was. I can't remember. All right. So that is everything that Lori put into her boo bag. So again, a big thank you to Lori over at Petey Pie Designs. I am going to love using all of this. And I'm kind of curious to try Sour Patch Kids because I've never tried them before. So thank you all for watching. And I hope you will head over to Lori's channel and show her some support and subscribe to her channel. She is like myself, where she loves all things spooky and Halloween and stuff like that. So I will leave a link to her channel down below. So please head over and check out her channel. So thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. Take care.